Hello there. In this video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of how to change your primary email on Google Workspace. This is a relatively simple task, and it should take you only about 5 minutes to complete. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully updated your primary email address, whether you're doing this for personal reasons or to ensure that your business communications remain current and effective. Once you've arrived at Google Workspace, the next step is to select your Google account. Next, proceed to the Account section within the Admin console. This area is key to changing your primary email address, among other settings. Click on Account Settings. Although it might feel like we're delving deep into the menus, every step is crucial to ensure accuracy in updating your account details. Once you're in the Account settings, look for the Profile section. This is where your personal settings, including your contact information, are stored. We're aiming to update this today. In the Profile section, you'll find Contact Info. Click on it to proceed. This specific area is what we need to access to change the primary email address associated with your Google Workspace account. At this juncture, you'll see the option to change the primary admin email. You've now reached the final step where you can enter the new email address you wish to use as your primary email. Double-check to ensure you enter the new email address correctly to avoid any complications. After updating the email address, don't forget to click on Save. This is perhaps the most critical step because it confirms and applies the changes you've made. Without clicking Save, none of the changes will be applied. And there you have it, a fail-proof guide on changing your primary email on Google Workspace. Remember, changing your primary email is a significant step and can impact how you receive notifications or manage your account. Therefore, make sure everything is set up correctly before and after you make the change. Keeping your account secure and your contact information up to date is essential for smooth operation, whether it's for personal use or managing a business. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.